Hi everyone, and welcome to FotoSign tutorial videos. In today's world, everything moves faster. You need to always be connected, whether in the office or on the go. You need your documents or contracts to be signed, approved, and sent in a glimpse. No time for mail, delivery, or regular delays. FotoSign comes with a fast and secure way to sign and approve your documents anytime and anywhere. Simple and easy. Once installed, the icon appears on the top of your Outlook email client. In this video, I'll explain to you how to sign or stamp a document yourself easily and quickly. FotoSign includes in its toolbar different icons. The first one is for signing the document, the second for requesting a signature, and the third for annotating your signed document, which is a unique feature of FotoSign. And there are two other icons for your available documents and app settings. Now let's start by signing a document in your inbox. Stop by the email with the attached document or contract you wish to sign. Click on the sign icon. The document attached to the email opens. Next, click on the signature icon and then click on Add New Signature from the Signature pop-up menu. The signature dialog box appears. Add signature title and name plus your initials according to your preferences. You can also change the date and time format as preferred, and you can also change the signature and initials font. If it is your first time using FotoSign, you can select a pre-drawn signature or initial by uploading their files, so click on the Choose File button related to each. Click Save, and then Close. Now the new signature you have just added appears in the Signatures pop-up menu. So select the required signature or initial and drag it to wherever you wish to have it placed on the document. So let's move to adding stamps to your document. Click on the stamp icon and then click on Add New Stamp from the Stamp pop-up menu. The Stamps dialog box appears with the available stamps on the left. To add your new one, enter the stamp name and then its short name. Move the width slider to the left to minimize the stamp size and to the right to maximize it. Next, fill in the stamp main text that will appear in the middle of the inner circle of the stamp. Then enter the stamp text for the other secondary text that appears right below the main one, also in the middle of the inner circle. To change the vertical position of the main or secondary texts, move the Y slider to the left to move the text upwards and to the right to move it downwards. To increase the font of the main text, scroll the font slider to the right and vice versa. Select the checkboxes for the date, time, and owner name to make them appear on the outer circle of the stamp. To change the vertical position of the date, time, and owner name texts, move the Y slider next to the secondary text field. To increase their fonts, move the extra font slider to the right and vice versa. Also, you have multiple colors for your newly added stamps. Select any of them according to your preference. To upload a saved stamp you already have, click on the arrow icon on the bottom right corner to choose your file. You can also delete the stamp by selecting it from the left menu and then clicking on the delete button below. Click on Save. Click on Save To add one of the available stamps, just click on it and drag it to wherever you wish to have it on the document. The dark circle on top of the signature or stamp appears when it's selected. You can click on it to delete any of them. Click on Save, confirm you want to send the signed document. You will receive an email with the self-signed document to forward it to anyone you want. With FotoSign, you'll keep up with the speed of the business world and keep your documents secure, offering you a better customer experience in the office or wherever life takes you. Thanks for watching this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.